Hindi lang nagpapaalam, no? Kinukuha na lang. Okay lang. Sa'yo muna. Kamusta? How was your day?
Okay naman yung day ko. Kaka-uwi ko lang from um, mabilis na vacay with my family. And how are you sa Iloilo?
Hindi ko na-feel na vacation kasi ang daming ganap din with family na parang hindi ko, mapahinga. But okay lang. Um, third week pa naman balik classes ko in
Pero you're,
January.
pero
So,
you're having fun naman.
yeah, I am. Hmm? Kanina, I mean, naman, but nag-drop kasi si Mark ng 30K and nag-joke ako kagabi
Wow!
na like, they wanted me to say my nickname for you. And then sabi ko, drop muna kayo ng 10K. Siyempre, joke lang. Tapos nag-drop sila ng 30. So ayun, napa-share ako tuloy ng nickname.
So,
Tapos,
talagang para sa isi-share mo talaga yung nickname.
wow, nagtatampo ah.
Dapat nga sa'yo lang yun eh. I-share mo pa sa iba.
Ayun, kung dyan, papakit ka na naman. And then they're saying na if they drop to you, then you have to reveal mine. Stop! You're trying to make pa cute na naman. Do you have things to unbox later?
Yeah, I have.
Can I see it muna? Yeah, I love queerbaiting. Di ba? Ang saya kaya
Gusto
mag-queerbait.
mo makita?
Hmm?
What do you want
Wala
to see?
akong na-receive eh.
Like, what do you want to see?
I want to see what you're gonna unbox.
Um,
What? Can you unwrap it, please?
ano no?
Can you unwrap it?
Gusto mo ba?
Gaya. Yeah! Wag ka, don't do that on live. Not on live. Okay? Please.
Okay. Okay, kasi akala ko sa live.
Ugh.
Hindi, akala ko sa live. Like,
Control yourself,
do you
please,
want me
sir.
to unwrap it? Do you want me to unwrap it?
What?
Like, do you want me to unwrap it?
Yeah. On live. Your gifts, Yung gifts mo,
Yung gifts pala yun.
Yeah. Get your mind out of the gutter, bro.
Sa condo mo ko na lang i-unwrap. Sa condo mo na lang ko i-unwrap.
Sa kondo kong parang ang daming tao dun.
Pwede naman. Joke lang po.
Kasama si Gia tsaka Hero, no? Sa unwrap. Pero yung i-unbox mo mamaya, galing yan sa viewers or sa pamilya mo? Like
Hindi
yung...
ko alam eh. Like, family ko?
Okay.
Hindi ko alam. May mga paper, may mga nakalista naman dito. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung kanino ka siya nang galing.
Gets. Wala akong
Honest ka
ma-unbox. Lahat ng pinadala sa akin nasa Manila. So,
Oh, that's so sad.
I'll watch na lang you unbox.
Alis ka daw?
Yeah, I have going to my lola's house pa at 12. Actually, dapat before 12 eh. I go to my lola with my cousins.
Like, I'm gonna
Yeah.
unbox my gift
I know, I'm gonna watch na lang.
later.
Yeah, 12 ka mag-unbox, di ba?
Kasi, oo.
So, totoo lang, I wanted to end na kanina, which is waiting for you. I just wanted to live with you saglit, and then, yeah. I'm gonna go in a bit.
Clingy right now.
Hmm?
Look who's being clingy right now.
Wag na lang. Anyway, I like your hair.
I like... Really? As in,
No, you know, I keep telling you, diba, na that's my favorite.
yeah,
Ano?
sinunod ko
My
lang
favorite
naman.
hair.
Sinunod ko lang naman. Isa lang naman akong masunugin.
It's nice.
Really? It's nice.
Hmm?
It's nice.
Super. Pogi mo. Pogi mo, bro. Prime Street, ah.
Really?
Ba't ganun yung reaction mo? Tangka na ka. Gaba naman
Really
yung
ba?
reaction, ah.
Parang
Sumigaw
ano to?
talaga.
Ano to? Two truths, one lie ba to? Ha?
Grabe naman. Support mo naman ako sa bagong identity ko. Ano ba?
Talagang two truths, one lie tayo ngayon? Ha?
Yung reaction niya. You know, I really want to lie with you all night, but inaantay na ako ng cousins ko.
You really want me to lie with you all night?
Actually, wag na lang. I wanna go. Tagal mo eh.
Look who's,
Kanina pa ako alive.
look who's being clingy after all.
Sino? May tao ba sa likod ko? Sino? Ikaw ba yung clingy? Ikaw ba? Siya pala.
Ikaw! Oo, ikaw! No! Ba't clingy mo masyado? Para kang
I wanna go na.
You're gonna go na?
Yeah.
Sige, you're go na.
Are you gonna live tomorrow? Cause I'm gonna live tomorrow.
I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm gonna update you. Because we're always updating each other naman, right?
Not really. Ina-update ko si Poopy eh.
Can you stop, please? Can you stop?
Sorry po.
Can you stop, Rocky Boo, please?
Okay.
Okay.
I gotta go now. Okay?
So,
Bye. Have a
just
good
go,
unboxing.
Just go and don't leave me.
Week yung bana. Pang ano yan? Pang first month pa yan.
Kailan months na ba tayo?
Dapat mas improve na.
So, 5 months na tayo.
Magkakilala.
Okay. Okay.
Can I go? Can I go now?
Sige na, go ka na. Ganyan ka
Okay.
naman. Eh.
I'm gonna watch you unbox. 12 ka mag-unbox, diba? I'll join your live pag 12. I wanna see what you got.
After 12, iba na yung unbox.
So live?
Hindi, off ka.
Sige. Pwede naman sa live. Basta R18 ka na lang muna. Alam mo,
Boy!
I only knew na may R18 feature pala kagabi. Hindi ko alam na may
Meron?
ganyan
Totoo?
pala.
Meron?
Oo. Meron. Like, you can do anything. Pwede ka
Tuwa ka naman.
Hindi. Good boy ako, ano ba?
Tuwa ka naman. Gusto mo yung mga
Oo,
ganyan.
good boy ako, ano
Gusto
ba?
mo yung may mga R18 na mga nangyayari. So, in short, gusto mo.
Ayoko na magsalita dito.
Ngayon, kagabi mo lang nalaman, pero matagal mo nang gustong gawin.
Bahala ka. Alis na nga ako. Bye. I'm gonna come back. 12.
Sige na,
Bye, sir. Bye.
just message me, okay?
Bye, Poopy.
Hay, nako talaga, ang mga tao. Minsan hindi ko na talaga pagkakatiwala talaga ang aking ang pangalan ng mga nangyayari. Ayoko na yun kasi nakikita eh. Ayoko nang ganun sinasabi.